Hello, everyone. Here is YiLu Proxy's channel. The video shows how to use YiLu Proxy with Maskfog browser. Firstly, configure YiLu Proxy settings as shown video. Then forward IPs to proxy ports. You just need to right-click an IP and select a proxy port. But for local port, you need to right-click an IP and connect. Then you can see the local proxy IP on the top left.
For rotating IPs, you need to select residential IP or data center IP, the country, state, city, and the number of refreshing IPs.
Then click Refresh. Next, right-click an IP and select a port. You can see ports information on the port forward list. Next, create a new browser profile in Maskfog browser. Fill in name. Select a operating system, browser version, and user agent. Then click Custom Proxy. Enter a proxy name.
Select proxy type, SOCKS5. Enter proxy host, 127.0.0.1.
Enter proxy port, such as 1080. Check proxy. Test port 5500. Test 5501.
YiLu Proxy rotating IPs support SOCKS5 and HTTP protocols.
So you can also select HTTP. SOCKS5 is more stable than HTTP. Then select an account platform, such as Twitter.com. For other configurations, you can just use the default. Click OK to save the browser profile. Then click Open to run. You can check the IP address and other information on the default homepage. Then you can create or log into your accounts on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube and other platforms. Okay, the video about how to integrate YiLu Proxy with Maskfog browser is over. Thank you for watching and subscribing.